What's up, everybody? Big Herc 916, and you tuned into another edition of my vlog. Want to say thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for all your support. You know, I'm all about that positivity and that motivation. And today I'm in Huntington Beach at a car show down here off of PCH, and I'm gonna take a stroll through here so you can check out some of the cool whips out here in the OC. So make sure you guys stay tuned, leave a comment, and let me know what your favorite car is. So we have a little bit of everything out here. Just to kick it off, we got McLaren, Ferrari, Lambo, and then you go over here, you got Nissan GT-R, you got Mercedes, Subaru. So it's a lot of different cars out here, man. Look like a mix of people. So I'm gonna stroll through here and see what they're working with. We've got a wide body Supra right here, and the guy said this thing's putting down close to 8. Now when I looked at it, I said, damn, look at the flares on this thing. And he's about the business with this right here. He's got the sub in the back with the little roll cage. And you can see that this thing is set up to put in some work. You can just check out the turbo on this thing. No joke. Badass setup though. Toyota Supra, straight classic, wide body. Got a Viper in the house next to a wrapped Lambo. Mercedes AMG. Another Viper. Got a mean Corvette with a supercharger. Callaway. You guys who don't know about high performance, Callaway is one of the top builders for Chevy Corvette. They've made some really fast Corvettes in their time. GT3 RS. Got a couple more Mercedes over here. Can't go wrong with the AMG SLS 6.3. This thing's a monster. This is one of my bucket list cars. This one's got a carbon fiber hood.
I think it's actually
got a 78 Firebird rolling up. Oh, Smokey and the Bandit. Got Porsche Row over here. And this right here is, this is sick. Check this out. They killed it with this car.
Take care.
Just got such a mean look on it. And then the wheels. Oh my God, look at these wheels. These wheels are crazy. Center release. Oh man, look at the offset. Man, this thing is nasty. horsepower?
Oh, that WRX.
WRX. Oh, that thing is sick. Killing it.
Oh,
That thing is clean. Subaru.
Subia.
Yeah, Subaru. Yeah.
wow.
Oh, that's bad. Interior sick. Got the wood on the floor. That's bad. Look at the gauges, like time clock, stopwatches.
Yeah, that's
That's sick, huh? He got oh, he's clowning. He's flossing the bread up in there.
Damn, Subi.
Subi, get the turbo.
I mean, I'm sorry, 1,500 pounds. Yeah,
Yeah, I know.
Right? Is it?
Yeah.
Where are you at?
Probably Hollywood money.
Yeah,
You don't get jacked.
You got too much fucking money, bro.
Clowning. Got the cheese underneath there.
Yeah.
This is sick. Yeah. You ain't lying, huh? Badass.
You guys about to do some gnarly flybys.
Yeah, as you can see, they be doing some little passes out here, man, getting on it, so it's kind of cool. You see somebody open a little thing up, man, but not a bad turnout for a Sunday out here in Huntington Beach. A few more cars, so I'm gonna keep strolling, man, and see what else I can come up on. Got a couple Ford GTs out here. Both of these are supercharged, so you know they pushing out some numbers.
They'll be back tomorrow.
918. $1 million and some change right here.
Oh, you heard me talking about you.
If you say something, you have to pet it.
Say hi. Look at the
Oh, what's
sweater.
that? It's a little one.
He's cold.
It's a miniature.
He's cold.
So, yeah.
They start having like
A lot of Porsches. Porsches of marquee today.
He's being nice.
By February 4th, or else, you know, I was gonna have a warrant out for my arrest. So, like, I'm like, I got pulled over. You know, I need to.
You guys know what this is, right?
Like, the only thing I see on your thing was back on this date.
They say you got to know how to drive this car. Carrera GT. Classic right here. The Speedster over here is pretty sick. It's got a nice little stance to it. Check this out, you guys. I like the interior color. It's got the luggage back here. wood grain shifter. Look, that motor's pretty. Got the stacks on it. It's a nice little speedster right here. A nice little wide stance on it. Thing is pretty. Y'all, that's Cars and Coffee out here in Huntington Beach. Supercars by the Sea and the OC. And yeah, man, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, share the video, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Big Herc 916.